What's up, boys and girls? If you're here, you're probably having some trouble with Call of Duty Black Ops 6 crashing on your Xbox Game Pass. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this guide, we'll go over step-by-step solutions to fix this annoying issue so you can get back to gaming without interruptions. If this video helps you out, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more guides. Solution 1. Check for system updates. The first solution is to update your Xbox system. An outdated system can often cause crashes, especially with new games like Black Ops 6. Step 1. Press the Xbox button on your controller. Step 2. Go to Profile and System, then go to Settings. Step 3. Head over to System, then go to Updates. Step 4. If there's an update available, select Update Console and install it. Step 5. Restart your Xbox after the update is complete. Why this works: updates often include patches that fix bugs and compatibility issues. Keeping your system updated is essential for smoother gameplay. Solution 2. Clear your Xbox cache. If your game is still crashing, the next step is to clear the cache. Corrupted cache data can often lead to game crashes for Xbox One. Turn off your console completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Unplug the power brick from the back of the console. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn on the console. For Xbox Series X, power off the console using the power button. Unplug the power cable from the console. Wait for 60 seconds, then plug it back in and power on your console. Why this works: clearing the cache removes corrupted temporary files that might be causing the game to crash. Solution 3. Reset MAC address. If the crashes persist, resetting the MAC address can help resolve network-related issues. Step 1. Open Settings on your Xbox. Step 2. Go to Network, then go to Network Settings. Step 3. Select Advanced Settings, then go to Alternate MAC address. Step 4. Choose Clear and then restart your Xbox. Why this works: this resets the network configuration, fixing any connectivity issues that might be causing the game to crash during online play. Solution 4. Reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 6. If none of the previous fixes worked, it's time to reinstall the game. Sometimes the game files can be corrupted and a fresh install is necessary. Step 1. Press the Xbox button and navigate to My Games and Apps. Step 2. Locate Call of Duty Black Ops 6, press the menu button and select Manage Game and Add-ons, then select Uninstall All. Step 3. Go to the Xbox Game Pass library, find Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and select Install. Why this works: reinstalling the game can fix corrupted or missing files, providing a fresh setup for smooth gameplay. Solution 5. Check game settings and graphics updates. Finally, if you're still facing issues, try adjusting in-game settings and ensure any available updates for Black Ops 6 are installed. Lower the graphics settings to reduce the load on your console. Make sure you have installed the latest game patches by going to Manage Game Settings and checking for updates. Alright, that's it for today's guide. Hopefully, one of these solutions helped you get back into the game without crashes. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more gaming fixes and tips. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!